we got in this rope, supposed to be not spinning, washing, draining, not spinning, or getting to the rinse. Let's find out what codes it throws. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Left, right, 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 left, right. Now we're in the flash mode. One click to that one is codes. That is stuck key. Those two and that one. That one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. I think that's F7E1 basket speed sensor. And that's it. Yep. Now clear it, hold the button. All right. Yeah, stuck key. F7E1. So let's test the tachometer. All right, to test the tachometer, left, right, 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 left, right. Oops, left, right, 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 left, right. Okay, we need to go to wash and cycle complete. Hit start. Now, gotta spin the drum. Yep. If it was good, it would be cycling through the lights. But it is bad, so we need to change an actuator. Let's see, where was it? Tachometer. Yep. Wash and done. That was it. Yeah. All right, there's our actuator that shifts between wash and spin and also has two fingers that sticks up in there and senses the rotation. Two green Phillips. All right. Come on. You want to make sure that the splush shifts good. Yep, splush shifting good. If the splush shifts hard, go ahead and change it. One. And one plug. All right. Ooh, that's no bueno. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. All right, so let's test it again, just for the hell of it. Left, right, 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 left, right. We're in the flash mode. Wash and done. All right, spin the drum. And there we go. Sensing the rotation now. Well, let's just do an auto test for the heck of it. Left, right, 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 left, right. Flash mode. Auto test. It'll lock and fill, and then it'll wash, and then it'll drain, and then it'll spin, and then we're done. Oh yeah, another thing I recommend doing is doing the recalibrate, which is getting it into the test mode, left, right, 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 left, right, like that, and rinse. That's recalibrate. Just let it do its thing, and that's it. Change the actuator on that roper washer. If that helps some, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment about your unit. This is what helps a lot, and it's right here inside. So thanks again. Have a great day.